Hello, welcome to my first Blender tutorial. Today I'm going to explain UV Unwrapping to you guys. The goal of UV Unwrapping is to convert our 3D model into a 2D version that can be easily textured. The way UV Unwrapping works is by selecting an edge and marking it as a seam, which essentially makes a cut in the model and will allow it to unfold. Today I have made a visualizer of how these seams will allow our model to unfold into a flat version. As you see, I have our seams marked in red so you can get a basic understanding of how the model will unfold. So, now that you have an understanding of how it works, let's actually do it. So here I have 3 different models we will unwrap today. The reason I want to do this is so you get a better understanding. So, we will start on the left side. This shape has nothing holding it back from unfolding. When we select it, go into edit mode, click U, and select unwrap. We get a perfect unwrap. That's because the seams are free to move or unfold how they want. When we move on to the second model, in the middle, this is what I want you to think. Imagine this is a real cardboard shape in front of you, and your friend hands you a razor blade and says, "Hey man, can you unfold this box, lay it flat on the ground so we can use it for a painting canvas?" So we will go ahead and use that razor blade he gave us and cut a clean seam and unfold it. Select your model, click tab and enter edit mode. Make sure you're in edge selection mode and select an edge. After that, let's click Ctrl E and select Mark Seam to make the edge into a seam. Now all we have to do is press U, then select Unwrap. Simple as that. Okay, one more object to unwrap here and then I'll send you on your way. So, we have a cube. Again, your friend says unfold this and lay it flat. So, select your model, click tab, and enter edit mode. Make sure you are in edge selection mode and let's start selecting these edges and making them into seams. Remember, if you do not create a seam, the edges will unfold as one and they will not separate. We have the seam set, so now all we have to do is press A for select all, and then press U, then select unwrap.